Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to cook or use the Instant Pot. Today I'm going to steam some yams. So I have washed off and poked holes with a knife in 3 yams, and I filled my Instant Pot with about maybe a quarter cup of water. So I'm going to use is this steaming rack. I'm going to place the steaming rack in here. Leave the handles up, and then I'm just going to put 3 yams in here like so. I could probably fit maybe one more, or if I were to cut them up, I could fit some more. So I have those in there. Now I'm just going to put on my lids. This pot's a little dirty. I used it all weekend. Haven't wiped it down. So I've put this in. I've sealed it. I've made sure that the dial is here. If it's down here, that means the steam is open, so you want this to be closed. And then I'm going to come here and you'll see all the settings, and the setting that I'm going to use is steam. I'm going to do it for about 27 minutes. If you have really large yams, they might need a few more minutes, but I've noticed small to medium sized yams cook in about 20 to 27 minutes. So as you see, I pressed the button. It took about 5-10 seconds for it to say on. So the only thing I had to do was plug it in and then press steam. You don't have to do anything else. Once it's shut, it's shut. And now it's on, and eventually the timer will count down. So as you see, all these different settings on here, each one, all you got to do is hit the button, and that's all you got to do. And then of course here you could either go up or down for the timer, and you could also decide if you want it on high or low pressure. So I'll let you guys know when they're all finished how they come out. Alright, so the yams are done. So you see this L and then a 0 and then the number 17. So basically after the timer went off, they cooked for 27 minutes. I steamed them for 27 minutes. It went to all zeros, and then it goes to this count up for L. Oh, I don't know what that stands for, but basically this is the amount of time that it has been sitting, basically. So after the timer goes off, and so I had it at 27 minutes, the timer goes off, that's when you come up here and you release the steam. I haven't released the steam yet, so most of the steam naturally releases itself because it's been sitting for so long. But usually when you open that, you want to be careful. You want to back up, watch your hands, and just open this, and the steam will come up here. All right, so steam came out. This little button here dropped down. As you can see, it's like down in there because normally it's popped up, and when the lid is ready to be opened, so we come here and look at these beautiful yams. They're perfectly done. Let's just do a little perfect. So these should be ready in about 30 minutes total. From the time you put them in to the time you take them out, should take just about 30 minutes. Yams are done. As you can see, they are extremely tender, perfect. If you like them more mushy, maybe cook them longer, but to me this is perfect. And I hope you guys use your Instant Pot.